Hello dear student, welcome back. This is the last lesson for inequalities for A levels and IGCSE exams. In the second last lesson, we solved 8 questions out of past year exams questions. Now we are going to solve the next 7 questions to wind up this topic. Question number 9. We are given a diagram. There are 3 lines, x is equal to 1. This is the line, x is equal to 1. Second is y is equal to 1, this line. Third is x plus y is equal to 4. And the 7 point O, A, B, C, D, E, F, O is this, A is this, B, then C, D, E and F. Which of the 7 point lie in the region defined by x plus y is greater than 4? X plus y is greater than 4. See this diagram carefully. This is x plus y is equal to 4 and above this line x plus y is greater than 4. So what are the points above this line? B, C and D. So we just need to write down these points B, C and D. Secondly, which of these 7 point line in the region defined by x is less than 1, y is greater than 1? Dear student, x is equal to 1. X is less than 1 means we need to stay on this side. We are restricted to D, E and O. Y is greater than 1. Y is greater than 1 means we need to stay above this line as well. So we are restricted to only D and E. X is less than 1, this side. Y is greater than 1, above this. So we are restricted to D and E. Third inequality is x plus y is less than 4. We need to be below this line. So D is also discarded. So we are left with only E. So answer to second part is E. E is the only point. Which one of these 7 points? So that is E. Given that O is 0, 0 and C is 4, 2. Dear student, this is 0, 0, O and this is C, 4, 2. And what he says? Find the inequality that defines the region below the line that passes through O and C. This is the line passes through O and C. We need to define the inequality which lies below this line. That will be, first of all, we will find the equation which passes through O and C. Find its gradient, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1, and its y-intercept is 0. So its equation will be y is equal to mx plus c, m is 1 by 2, c is 0. This is the equation, and y is less than 1 by 2x is the region below this line. I hope this is clear. This was question number 9. Now we move to our second question of today, which is question number 10. We are given an inequality in one variable. 3 by 4 is less than n is less than 7 by 8. If I write it into the decimal, this is 0.75 is less than n is less than 0.8. We need to write a decimal value of n that satisfies this inequality. Any number between these two, let it be 0.8. Write down a fraction value. Fraction, for that fraction, we will only convert this 0.8 to fraction. This is your answer. This was a very straightforward question. Now we move to question number 11, third question for today. Find the gradient of line L. This is line L. We need to pick 2 points. What is this point? x0, y1, and what is this point? 2, 2. Gradient of L will be 2 minus 1 over 2 minus 0. This point is 0, 1. and this point is 2, 2. So y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. 1 by 2 is the grid. Shaded region on the diagram is defined by three inequalities. One of these is x plus y is less than equal to 4. This is x plus y is equal to 4 line, and region shaded is below this, so this is x plus y is less than equal to 4. Second inequality is this line is x is equal to 1, so region is right hand side of this line, so x is greater than equal to 1. Third inequality will be the inequality related to this line L, whose gradient we just calculated. Let us form the equation of L first. Gradient is 1 by 2, and from the graph it is very obvious that its y-intercept is 1. So gradient M is equal to 1 by 2 and y-intercept C is equal to 1. Its equation will be 1 by 2x plus C. And region is above this line, so y is greater than 1 by 2x plus C. Equal to sign will be included. And second one is x is greater than equal to 1. We just needed to write down these two inequalities. Question number 12. The diagram shows three lines. X is equal to 8, this line. X plus y is equal to 21, this line. And third line is 2y is equal to 12 plus x, this line, which intersect at A, B and C. Find the coordinate of B. B is this one, intersection of this line and this line. Very easily, x is equal to 8 is first line. Second line is 2y is equal to 12 plus x. For putting x is equal to 8, 2y is equal to 20 and y is equal to 10. Coordinates of B are x 8, y 10. The region inside triangle ABC is defined by three inequalities. One of the inequality given is x plus y is less than 21 inside region. Second will be x is greater than 8 because right side of this line. Third one will be basically related to this equation of this line. We have calculated, and this line is 12y, 2y is equal to 12 plus x. So region is above this line, so I will write 2y is greater than equal to 12 plus x, or y is greater than equal to 6 plus x by 2 or 1 by 2x. Find the coordinate of point with integer coordinate that is inside triangle ABC. Any point inside triangle ABC is to the right of this line x is equal to 8. So its minimum integral value will be x is equal to 9. And for x is equal to 9, this inequality becomes 9 plus y is less than 21, y is less than 12. Right? And for third inequality, y is less than equal to 6 plus 8 over 2, y is less than equal to 6 plus 4, 10. So y is less than 10 and y is, sorry, the third inequality was greater than. So y is greater than 10 and less than 12. This is greater than inequality. I wrote it by mistake. Y is greater than equal to 6 plus 8 over 2. Y is greater than equal to 10. See these two? Any number between these two is 11. 9 and 11 is your answer. I hope this is clear. Now we move to question number 13. The diagram shows the line y is equal to 2x plus 1. Point P has coordinate AB, where A and B are both positive integers. Value of A and B satisfy the inequality R. Let me increase the size of this diagram so that it is visible to you. So we are given a diagram in which he says that every point has coordinate A and B, where A and B are both positive integers. A and B are both positive integers, and the value of A and B satisfy the inequality. A is less than 2, B is less than 7, and B is greater than 2A plus 1. This is basically Y is greater than 2x plus 1, right? This is the line. So we need to look for the points above this line. And A is greater than 2, mean x coordinate is greater than 2. This is x is equal to 2 line. B is less than 7. So less than 7. And B is greater than equal to 2A plus 1, and point is above this line. The value of A, we have to write down all the possible values of A. A is less than 2, B is less than 7, and B is greater than 2A plus 1. Greater than 2A plus 1 above this line. So can you find out any point? That point will be A is less than 2, sorry, on this side. So there are this side, below this and above this. There are 3 points, 1, 2 and 3. And what are these 3 points? These 3 points are this one is 1, 4, this one is 1, 5, and this one is 1, 6. I hope this is clear. A is less than 2 means the point will be on the left hand side of this line. B is less than 7, point will be below this line, and B is greater than 2A plus 1, point will be above this line. To the left of this, below this, only 3 points are seen over here with integral values. I hope this is clear. Question number 14. Side of triangle ABC are formed by the straight line with equation x is equal to 3. Dear student, this is the line x is equal to 3, y is equal to 6 is this line, and y is equal to x plus 1 over 2 is this line. Region inside the triangle defined by 3 inequalities. Write down these 3 inequalities. This is x is equal to 3, and inside triangle x is greater than 3. So first inequality will be x is greater than 3. This is y is equal to 6, and below this triangle is below this, so y is less than 6. And this is y is equal to x plus 1 by 2, and triangle is above this line, so y is greater than x plus 1 by 2. The point 4k, where k is an integer, lies inside the triangle. X is greater, find the value of k. Okay, 4k, x is 4. When x is 4, y is greater than 4 plus 1 by 2, 5.5, and y is less than 6. So what will be the, where k is an integer, so what will be the value of, for x is equal to 4, k is an integer, when I put x is equal to 4, y is greater than 4.5. This is 4.5 actually. So y is greater than 4.5 but less than 6. So y will be 5. That is k is equal to 5. Dear student, last question for this topic. The diagram shows the line x plus y is equal to 8, 2y is equal to x plus 4. This is x plus y is equal to 8 because its x and y intercept are both here. These are clear. And this is 2y is equal to x plus 4 line. Shaded region on the diagram is defined by 3 inequalities. Third is this line. This line is y-axis. X is equal to 0. So its equation is x is equal to 0. Second equation is given by x plus y is equal to 8. And third equation is given by 2y is equal to x plus 4. We need to form the inequalities. See, this is the line x is equal to 0 and points are on the right side, so inequality will be x is greater than equal to 0. Lines are continuous. Similarly, x plus y, this is line and the region shaded it below this line is less than equal to 8, and this is third line, region is above this line, 2y is greater than equal to x plus 4. These are the three inequalities. Another region R is defined by the inequality x plus y is less than 8. X plus y is less than 8 is this. 2y is less than x plus 4. Region is below this line and y is greater than a. Y is greater than a. Let me copy this figure for you first so that we could work on this. Dear student, what we are given? We are given that x plus y is, the region is defined by x plus y is less than 8. X plus y is less than equal to 8. It means that region is below this line. Below this line. This is the region. But then he says 2y is less than x plus 4. This is 2y is equal to 4. Below this line. So this will be the region actually. This region. And y is greater than a. Y is greater than some constant a. This a can be 1, a can be 2. If a is 4, so this will be empty region. This region contains 5 points with integer coordinates. Write down the value of a. 5 points with integer coordinates. You see, there are integer coordinates. This is 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, y should be above a. This will be our third inequality, where a is 1. I hope this is clear. Dear student, this was all about inequalities for O levels. In next class, we will come up and start some new topic for you. Please do subscribe and like and share my channel and stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.